Hi guys, Scotsman LC's here. Hi guys, Scotsman LC's here, and today we've got another review with Finley. Last time we were reviewing Maverick Strike, but oh well. Just before we start this, thank you a lot to Driftomaniacs, Kev and Pat. They're all of them free. Without them, we wouldn't have got this car. But yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you.
It's been amazing, so just unbox it, Finley.
Let's go.
Okay. Jesus Christ.
Here's the manual. Oh, it has some plasticky bits in it.
The other thing I don't open.
Oh god, here we go.
It's like a slash.
Oh my god. Oh my god, that's massive.
That's what she said. This remote here, it did come in a white box, but that got ruined as well. Can't smell my seats over it, so I was wrecking things. Oh. Basically guys, this car comes with an EC3 normally, but I managed to get a Dean's connector on it, so, you know, skeet skeet. This car's two-wheel drive, it's a short course platform, it's fully waterproof, and on 3S it goes 50 miles an hour.
Let's go, champ.
All the gears are metal except from the spur. There's a metal front plate and rear, therefore both metal, and that should seem quite thick, it might be 3mm. It's got a 3000 kV brushless motor that can do 3S. Oiled shocks. The bumper is really substantial. You look at that. They ain't going nowhere, boy. Look how big it is. Not a bad size at all. Definitely same size as the Slash. 100%, maybe even bigger. So Finley's gone home and I've just started working on the X-Max, and I need this video to be 5 minutes long, so I'm just going to do some jibber jabbering. So what I'm going to talk about now, I'm going to do a bit more an in-depth video about the subject, but it's going to be some plans that I'm doing, and some good, some bad, so yeah. So good news, more bashing videos soon. I just need to rebuild the Rustler. Yeah, it's looking alright. The X-Max is currently being rebuilt. I just got some oil, so now I can do it all. I'm just letting all this to rust off. I'm not cleaning the car, I'm just doing all the essential parts like the pins, bearings, drive shaft, all of that stuff. Can't be bothered cleaning all the plastics. I need to get a new steering plate because that snapped off. Pretty easy actually. It's when I was bashing with Kev, Pat and that lot, and it landed nosedive into the ground, and yeah, that didn't like it that much. Next day after, I did a bashing video, which you will see that after this one, and I broke my servo. There's no power to it, and it's completely dead, it won't even move, and it just makes a little squeaky noise, sending itself to hell. So I've got a new order, a new servo on order. I'll be doing a review video on that. God, I can't talk. And it's by JX. It's like nearly £40, I think, and it does 46 kilograms. So yeah, that'd be awesome. I'm getting some parts for this. I'm getting a stiffer servo spring because it needs to take the weight and power and whatever. Just found out diff case has smashed a bit. You can't really tell. But yeah, that smashed. Found out there's a split in the rear bulkhead a little bit, so I'm going to have to try the epoxy trick that Kevin Talbot has done. Because I want to make this car as strong as possible. I don't really have the funds, which is something else I'm going to talk about as well. But you'll probably see a lot more bashing videos of the X-Max, if the pinion and everything just works, than the Rustler, because the Rustler really needs some new parts, and yeah, I don't really have the money right now. I'm going to explain now. My dad and me kind of made an agreement. We used to do this £7 a week extra thing, and it used to get me about £25 a week, which is decent, £100 a month. And there's just been a new thing about e-go-karting, and I'm very into go-karting. My dream job was to be an F1 driver, and then YouTube came in, and that's very similar. If I had the chance to do F1, I'd do it. if YouTube came first, I'd do YouTube first. That's the way to do it. And I'm trying this go-kart thing. I'm pretty sure most of you are gone now, but oh well. Trying the go-kart thing. I can't get into the go-karting yet because we need to win some races. I am pretty good at it. If anyone wants to race me, you know, your boy leads Team Spot Go-Karting. But if I do well in that, then I'm going to have to kind of focus less on RC cars and more on the go-karting. As you can see, I got some inspiration. No. Oh yeah, I got 2 more cars. That's going to be awesome. Inspiration from Ayrton Senna. On Prost there. But yeah, food, that's some inspiration. But yeah, I'm mega insane about cars. And I might be getting one next year, but I'm going to talk more about this subject. This has gone way too long. And yeah, I hope you like this video, and hope you have a great day. See you later. In the next video, the X-Max goes into a muddy puddle. My god. And I explain that nobody's at a park. There's no one here today either, which is cool.